Have you ever opened Word, Excel, or another Microsoft Office program and felt a bit lost? Microsoft Office is one of the most widely used software suites in the world, designed to help with everything from writing letters, analyzing data, to creating eye-catching presentations and managing emails. Each tool has its own strength, and together they provide a powerful way to stay organized, communicate effectively, and work more productively. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow that empowers individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. In this video, we will walk you through the essentials of Microsoft Office so you can feel confident using these tools. Let's begin with Microsoft's communication tools, Outlook and Teams. Outlook is both an email and a calendar program that helps you send and receive messages, schedule appointments, and set reminders so you don't miss important dates. To get started, sign into your Outlook or create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one, and try sending a short email to a friend. Click New Message in the top left corner, type your recipient's email addresses in the To field, add a subject line, write your message in the main box, and then press Send. You can also use the CC field to copy others into the conversation, or the BCC field if you want to include someone privately without revealing their email addresses to the other recipients. Incoming emails will appear in your inbox on the left-hand side. If you start writing a message but don't send it, Outlook will automatically save it in your drafts folder, when you can return later to finish and send it. Now let's look at Teams, Microsoft's chat and meeting tool. Think of it as a virtual community center where you can send instant messages, join video calls, and share files all in one place. You can send a message to individuals or groups. To get started, try typing a short message in the chat box, or if you want to test the video calling, click the Meet button to start a call. If a call is already scheduled, you can also join from your Calendar tab. During calls, you can turn your cameras and microphones on and off, share your screen, or upload files for everyone to see. Teams also lets you create or join channels, which are like dedicated spaces for conversations and resources around a specific topic or group. These channels can make it easier to keep discussions organized, share documents, and stay connected with family, friends, or community groups while providing a central hub for collaboration and communication. Word is Microsoft's tool for creating documents. Think of it as a digital notebook with powerful formatting options. You can write letters, reports, or journals, and then adjust the look with fonts, heading, and pictures. To begin, open Word and choose a blank document. Type a few lines, then explore the toolbar at the top. Try bolding words, changing the text color, or inserting a picture, a shape, and page numbers. If you want a head start, Word also offers templates for things like CVs or letters. And if you make a mistake, the undo button is always there to help. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Excel is designed for working with numbers and lists of data. At first, the rows and columns may look a bit overwhelming, but think of them as a grid where you can store information and then ask the program to perform calculations for you. This makes Excel perfect for budgets, shopping lists, or tracking activities. One of Excel's most useful features is formulas. A formula is simply an instruction you type into a cell that tells Excel what calculation to perform. For example, the formula sum adds up a range of numbers automatically. To try it out, open Excel and type your monthly expenses into one column. In the next cell, enter sum, followed by the range of cells you want to add, and Excel will calculate the total for you. Once you're comfortable, experiment with charts and graphs. They turn your data into visuals that make information easy to understand at a glance. PowerPoint is Microsoft's presentation tool. It lets you build slideshows that combine text, images, and even animations. Start by opening PowerPoint and picking a design template or just a clean slide. Add a title on the first slide, then create another slide with bullet points or a picture. A useful tip is to keep slides clear and uncluttered. Large text and simple visuals work best. When you're ready to present, go to the Slideshow tab and click From Beginning. Practice moving through your slides with the arrow keys to get comfortable. PowerPoint makes it easy to share ideas in a clear, visual way, helping you present concepts in a more engaging and memorable format. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage system. Instead of keeping files only on your computer or a USB stick, OneDrive stores them online, which means you can access the files from any device and they won't be lost if something happens to your phone or pen drive, for example. To try it, save a document by choosing Save As and selecting OneDrive. You can also drag a file directly into your OneDrive folder to upload it. Later, log in with your Microsoft account on another device to open the same file wherever you are. Sharing is simple too. Click Share, type in someone's email address, and they will be able to access the file. Microsoft also offers other programs you might find useful. OneNote is great for jotting down notes, Publisher helps you design flyers or newsletters, and Access is used for managing databases. You'll also find Copilot, Microsoft's AI assistant, built into many of these apps. If you're unsure how to use a feature or get stuck, Copilot can guide you with suggestions, explain steps, or even generate content to help you move forward. These tools may sound advanced, but you can explore them gradually as your confidence grows. If you would like us to cover any of them in more detail, please let us know. We would love to hear what interests you the most. Microsoft Office brings together a set of tools that can support you in many everyday tasks, whether it's organizing data, presenting ideas, or staying connected. With OneDrive, your files are safely stored and easy to share, and with Copilot built into many apps, you will always have guidance if you're unsure how to use a feature. The more you explore these programs, the easier they become, and you will soon see how Office can help you stay organized, communicate effectively, and bring your ideas to life. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you would like to learn more, join our free IT classes or community events. We would love to meet you. Check our website in the description below and get in touch with our team for personalized support. Our free and paid online courses include Learn in Demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful.